Hi Measuring Hero, I'm Anna. Today, I'm here at the ZEISS headquarters in Oberkochen, Germany. We are today going to take part in the ZEISS Quality Innovations Worldwide event, but most precisely here in Europe. This is a series of events under the motto Innovations that Drive Efficiency, and we are bringing them to our customers' regions to give them the chance to meet innovators at ZEISS and also to get to know our newest products. So, we started this event in China, going afterwards to South Korea, India, Mexico, and ending up here in Germany in Europe. Come with me and let's get started. Let me show you the location. We are here today at the ZEISS Forum, where our customers will get to know a selection of our product portfolio. Let's go. So, we don't only have our product presentation, but we also have more than 25 speakers today. Let's take a look on one of these presentations. Oh, I'm already late. Let's get a guided tour. I made just in time. Let's go to the demo center. And here at the Customer Center, we can take a look on our systems live. Let's go. Philip, hi, nice to see you here.
Hi Anna, nice to meet you.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm just enjoying the event today. So I've heard that you have some tips for our customers here in the event. What do you have in your sleeve for us?
Yeah, of course. Get an overview over current solutions, connect with customers facing the similar challenges, and get in touch with the ZEISS experts for your individual questions.
Okay, and then we have experts tips starting again?
Yeah, they started already. They started in January.
Okay, perfect. So, Philip, thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the event. Bye-bye.
You too.
Look who I have with me. I have Julia Haas, Head of Marketing at ZEISS Industrial and Quality Solutions. So, Julia, thank you very much for having the time to talk to us. What do you think, what is this event in a nutshell, and what do you say are the main focus topics for today?
Today we are here at our Europe edition of the ZEISS Quality Innovations Worldwide. We started this journey in Berlin with a big customer summit. Now we are bringing together decision makers from Europe to talk about metrology trends like AI, digitalization and automation, which of course affects all of our customers. And here at this event, they can not only explore very valuable conference sessions and keynote speeches, but also explore innovations right at hand. Innovations in hardware and software that will help our customers to gain more efficiency in their production and in their metrology solutions and labs. So this is what it's all about. We are having, of course, also a lot of fun, and I hope our customers enjoy it.
I hope so. This sounds really exciting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I've asked our customers what were their personal highlights of the event.
I think the highlight of the event is that it is magnificent. ZEISS really put such a show, especially yesterday after the dinner. It was a really good show to watch and to listen and talk with people. It's a great place to connect with other experts in the field. I'm from aerospace industry, but it was a good chat with people from automotive industry, medical industry, basically to connect with people to discover what other capabilities that we can do in our field.
I think the highlight of this event is to know the innovations from ZEISS, first of all. It's quite good to see live what is the art of the state of the art, and also the networking. The networking is really a very good thing in this event.
I mean, the organization is just incredible, how well organized it is with all of the conferences. It's highly appreciated how well it is.
What do I think about the event? It's my first time here and I'm impressed. Impressed by a positive way because I see a lot of technology. I'm in the measuring business for over 40 years, so it's always great to contact to the people. The energy between the partners, the customers, everything is flowing very positively, and that is really a good energy here.
I also asked them to describe the event in one word.
Vision, I would say, yeah.
Eye-opening.
Future, maybe.
Traumhaft.
Amazing.
Quality.
I think innovation.
So everyone, I hope you could get a very good impression of our event. Had a lot of fun, met a lot of new people, and learned a lot of new things about our innovation. See you next time, take care and goodbye.